Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome again to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness. Karibuni sana. We're here on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and if you do miss us, unfortunately, you can catch us on the socials, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Lolwe TV on YouTube. That's the one. With our crew here from Elixir Wellness Kenya. Check us out, elixirwellnesskenya.com. And if you want to interact with us on the socials, it's Elixir Wellness Kenya, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, and hashtag Lolwe Fitness TV. Thank you so much for joining us. Grab some water and a kettlebell or any weights that you have today, and let's go. Yeah. We just started by walking out, warming up. Pole pole tu. Aitakagi makasiriko, si ndio? Let's go side to side. Usisahau kusmile. Because you're doing an amazing thing for your body, you know? You're winning, si ndio? Twende, march. Get those arms going. As we do this, I will introduce you to today's crew. Afrofab, DJ Roy, Benja himself. Turn the side. And let's just get those arms going. Stop moving the feet and just really get those arms opening up. Here, yes, and to the side, up and back to the front here. Let's go up and back here and back 2 more times. Really getting the body ready for exercise here. Yes, turudi hapa. Yeah. And what we're going to do now is we're going to step forward and stretch it out and step back and really get those hip flexors ready. Step forward and back, and it's not really a lunge, it's more of a hip flexor stretch. Yes, and to the side and pull, and to the side and pull. So it's more of a dynamic stretch than an actual exercise. Yes. Let's go 2 more times here. And now let's really go for it. We're going to do some jumping jacks. We're going to go for 20, yes? Let's go. Hapo. Na wenda na ngoma, si ndio? Coach Benza usually does this. Sinda. Lazima nikuname. Give credit where it's due, Sinda. And walk. Remember, as we work out, we're not going to stop for water breaks. We're just going to change body parts. It's high intensity stuff, but we work all the way through. Drink water whenever we stop and walk it out, yes? Active rest, Nani. Yeah? Let's go on our knees, please. If you've got bad knees, make sure you've got a cushion or something underneath, a folded towel. And what we're going to do is we're just going to come off our knees and walk forward. It's a small movement, yes? And for those who can, walk back, small movement. And come back to the start. That's it, DJ Roy. Small movement, yes? What we're not doing is this. That's what we're not doing. And another thing we're not doing is propelling ourselves forward by lifting our bottoms. It's a very small movement here, making sure that your abs are engaged, yes? And we're going forward and back. If you can't walk it back yet because you're not strong enough, do like a baby, yes? So what we're doing is, we're doing alternates. If your left leg goes, left hand, your left leg goes. So it's an alternate, yes? So it's left, right, left and right, left and right. Back, yes? The same. Right, guys? Let's go. That's it. Really keeping that core nice and stable. Your back nice and flat, and your head, you can see forward, but you're not looking up. Here, I can see what's happening in front of me, but I'm not looking up. It's not as easy as it looks going backwards. Yes? And let's rest it here, please. Walk. It's not easy. Walk. Higher. 20. This is how we rest. We catch our breath and then we go again. Yeah. Now we're going to go down and do some crunches. Yes? 10 crunches and then we go back into the bear crawl. Let's go. So remember, with the crunches, if you need to support your lower back, get a small towel, put it underneath your bottom here, your lower back. Right, let's go. Crunches. Let's go. 5 more. And up we get. Remember, guys, your shoulders, your wrists are just underneath your shoulders, yes? That's our starting position. All we're doing is raising our knees off the ground, not lifting our bottoms up, yes? So we're going to walk forward to the end of the mat. So that's basically just moving 2 or 3 steps forward, 2 or 3 steps back. If you're not ready to walk back with it, up, get down, walk yourself back. Yes? Yes? But if you're strong enough, get there, let's go. Let's keep going. And one last time. And up we get. Let's go. Walk it out. Remember, guys, this is our active rest. We don't stop to rest. We keep moving. It's a short session, but it's quite highly intense. High intensity work, yes? Let's go. Again, we're going back to crunches, and then we're doing the bear crawl, yes? One more time, guys, one more time. I promise you. Bear crawl, one more time. Not the crunches, let's go. Don't trust a personal trainer when they say one more time. They'll say one more time, let's go, Benja. They'll say one more time, 5 times. Keep walking, 5 more. Just crunches, guys. If you want to make it harder, reach the other side, the side of your knee, here. Make it harder, yes? Up we get, have some water. Remember, we're not stopping. Don't stop moving. If you've got bad knees, like me, don't kneel for long periods of time. Do as I say, not as I do. Right, guys, let's go. Remember, wrist and shoulder, yes? Just raise. Right, are we ready? Let's go. We're doing this 5 times, back and forth, yes? Remember, guys, if you can't go back, walk yourself back. Go forward or stand if you've got bad knees and you don't want to be crawling on them, and go back here, start again. Remember, this is at your own pace, yes? Up we get. Hey, are you feeling it? Mr. Producer, you should come and join us. Cindy. Keep moving. That's it. 1 meter, 2 meters, 4 meters. Now we're going to walk down into plank, walk back up, walk in, walk back up, yes? We'll do that 8 times only. Only, guys, at home, remember, you don't have to go 8 times. If we finish and you haven't got to the 8th one yet, move on to the next thing and you will gain endurance as the weeks go by, yes? Right, let's go. Yes? Yeah. 1. Not go down and count to 8, Benja. Remember, squeeze your abs, yes? And on the up, squeeze that bottom, yes? Plank. Back up, yes? If you want to make it harder, get there, come, jump. Hold. Jump. Yeah. No extras today, Afrofab. Umesema dawe tawe. Manoka tim da. Dakatim. Kiki Yuda. Don't catch me doing it. Yeah? Apo. Yeah. Right, walk it out. Right, we're going back down. We're going to do some leg raises, yes? Let's go, Benja. Nobody's quitting. At home, well done for sticking with it. I know it's not easy. So what we're going to do is, we're going to have our feet on the ground, yes? If you've got lower back issues, please put a towel under your back or your hands, yes? We're going to start down here. Raise one leg, raise the other, then up. Bring one leg down, the other one back down. Again, let's go, guys. Hey, kangoma kame, biti kibamba. Let's go. Good, slowly down. There, back up. This is for that lower abs, yes? If you want to make it harder, both feet, slowly down, back up, and raise, yes? Both feet slowly down, back up, raise, yes? Let's go down, up, 2 more, let's go. and up. Good. Let's go, last one. Amayondo ilikuwa last. I'm having too much fun. Right, guys, at home, if you haven't got any weights like we have, grab your bottle. And what we're going to be doing is a full sit-up here and pushing up. Yes? Start here, back, and up. Yes? Here, back, up. Yes? So this is the movement we're doing. If you've got kettlebells or small dumbbells or big dumbbells, you start here and push up. Yes? Let's go. 6 on one side, 6 on the other, please. Let's go, people. Get, push. Push. Keep going. Other side. That was just in time. Well done, Afrofab. Well done, DJ Roy. Let's go, guys. Up we get. Up inaitwangwa active rest, sindio? Yeah? Let's just walk it out. For those people at home, thank you so much for joining us. I know it's not easy. Yes? But if you follow it and you keep coming, you're going to get so much better and stronger. And then you can start bringing people along, no? And don't forget to share. You can find us here at Lolwe Tv on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. Don't forget the hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness. Yes? Sindio? Yeah? Hapo kwenye Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. And if you've missed any or you want to recap on any of the other episodes, please catch us on YouTube. Yes? Lolwe TV Kenya. Yes? Yeah. Hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. Ma hashtag ndo zetu, si ndio? Aya, twende, stretch. This middle of your back here. Swap hands. Push out. Back of the hand to the small of your back here. Other hand. Today we are balancing. Leta hiyo mguu moja mbele. Bring the other one back. And now bring this leg forward and pull up. If you can't do this yet, hold on to the wall, hold on to a chair. Ama just try. Hata ukifanya hivi urudi ni sawa. Let's go back. Really pull your upper body up and pull this leg back and feel the stretch along the front of your leg, yes? Let's go to the other side. And back out. Afrofab says our producer is very active. One more time, really pull that back. And out. And wide here. And come down. Hey. You don't have to move like me. Just hold. And come back up. Take a deep breath in. and out. Take another deep breath in and out. And one more time, in and out. Thank you everyone, namaste, and see you guys again next time. Thank you.
Okay.